Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by disconnecting the negative battery cable and ensure the engine is completely cold. Do not work on a hot system. Place a drain pan under the radiator and open the drain to remove about 2.0 gallons of coolant until the level sits below the water pump housing. Remove the air intake and serpentine belt. Have a new water pump, gasket, stainless bolts, a 1/2-inch drive ratchet, 10 mm and 13 mm sockets, and 1 gallon of premixed coolant at hand. Loosen the serpentine belt with the tensioner tool and remove the belt from the pulleys. Next, remove the alternator bracket and any obstructing hoses to reach the water pump. Unthread the water pump bolts evenly in a star pattern to avoid warping the housing and pull the pump straight off, catching residual coolant in the pan. Use a plastic scraper to remove old gasket material from the block surface. Inspect the timing cover and thermostat housing for corrosion or leaks, and replace any failing parts. Position the new water pump with its gasket and start bolts by hand to ensure proper alignment. Tighten bolts evenly in a cross pattern until snug, then finish to factory torque using a torque wrench. Reinstall the alternator bracket, reconnect hoses and the serpentine belt, and refill the cooling system with 1 gallon of premixed coolant, topping as needed. Start the engine, open the heater to max, let it idle and burp the system to expel air. Check for leaks. Recheck coolant level and retorque fasteners after a short test drive.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.